back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a wig review on this hair right here. This is Outre Jhalay lace front wig in the color OM Pink Plum, and this is a part of the Color Bomb collection, and this is the care card right here. So inside you get all the different colors that they have: orange, purple, blue, lavender, pink. Like, it's so freaking cute. I'll leave everything down in the description box below so you guys can check it out if you like it. So this is the wig right here, fresh on my head. I did take it at the pack. The lace is still attached, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. This is not a lace, well, it is a lace front wig, but you only have this one single 6-inch part, and it's pretty deep, and you can customize it if you want. I probably would just put powder in it. I don't think I'm gonna pluck it this time. The wig in the beginning does come, like, in the front of the wig, it does have a little bit of baby hairs. As you can see, this little tiny piece right there. Let me get my comb so you guys can see. There's just a few strands of like hairs that you can like make your baby hairs. So that's pretty cool. The wig does come with 2 combs in the front, adjustable straps in the back, and a comb in the back. So like I was saying, this is the 6-inch deep part that you guys have. This is only the little bit of lace that you have right here. I'm going to try to finesse it. As you all know, no one likes that wiggy look, so y'all need to make sure y'all customize y'all wigs to y'all liking. I mean, you don't necessarily have to put baby hairs in there, but just make it look as if it's not a wig. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a no-go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this clip up. As you can see, well, before I do, let me show y'all the color. Like, this color is so vibrant. Like I said, it's OM Pink Plum, y'all. It's so freaking cute. So it's like more like a deep lavender at the top, and then a really bright lavender to the bottom. I think this is so freaking cute. Like, it's so pretty. It's so different. Like, the blending of these colors is legit. Like, it almost looks like I went to the salon and got it done. I'm really feeling all these vibes. Like, this is a vibe. And then the root is, you know, not black, but it's like a brown black. So I'm digging it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up this part of the clip, and I'll show you guys the final look with this on my head. final look of the hair. It's really cute. I really like it. I'm not getting like no shedding. Okay, I lied. I got like a strand just now, but that's because I'm pulling on it. But the hair is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Like, this color is everything to me. And it's just so light, airy, and flowy, and it's just different. Like, it just looks so good. Like, it really looks like a professional color, and I just can't get over it. Let me show y'all. See, I didn't even have to pluck. I just put some powder in the parting. I'm gonna show y'all the back, the side, and the back. It's like so freaking cute. I love everything about this hair. I really have nothing negative to say. If you guys try it out, let me know down in the comments below. I did buy this hair also in the color black, and I'm probably gonna wear it to work. I'm gonna show you guys how I finesse it to wear it to work. I'm probably gonna have to cut this a little bit like this on my black wig, of course, when it's time for me to go to work, so I don't have to put it up in uniform or whatever. But I'll show you guys in another video. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe to your girl. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. If y'all want to see like military, security forces, or I don't know, y'all was asking me some questions or whatever the case may be, let me know down in the comments, or either let me know on Snapchat, because a lot of you guys talk to me on Snapchat and or Instagram. It don't even matter, but just, yeah, let your girl know what y'all want to see. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.